Hello everyone, my name is Douglas, and today we're going to be starting a new Minecraft world. Hopefully there's at least one other person watching this, so that I don't have to listen to my own voice over and over. But, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to come into single player. Already got a world that I was working on before, but we're going to do a new one. And since this is only my second time ever playing a Java world, all the way through to beating the end dragon and things like that, we're just going to call it Learning Java. And I'm going to put it as hard so that the villagers always get converted. And yeah, we're just going to leave it pretty basic. Random seed. I don't know what's going to happen. But here we go. Let's see how it all goes. Ooh, that's a great thing to hear when you first come into the world. Sheep. Gonna punch some trees. In this world is get it all the way through till I build some of the big farms that are Java edition specific, kind of like what am I trying to say? What was that? What is that sound? Things like, you know, big old gold farm, the Guardian farms, stuff like that, like, you know, just the very end game type farms. Kill the end dragon, of course, and or the ender dragon, sorry, end dragon, the ender dragon, and just kind of get used to playing on Java. I've played Minecraft for quite a few years now, but it's always been on Bedrock Edition, and so I want to be able to, you know, do it on Java, because Java is, sorry to all my Bedrock players out there that are gonna be watching this, hopefully, but Java's just better, you know. Java's better for multiplayer, for the mechanics, redstone, like, it's all just a little bit better on Java. And so I'm going to be using this kind of series and learning Java. Okay, so it looks like we've got a savanna over there, and we started in a nice forest, which is sweet. What is that sound? Oh my goodness. It's the sound of a guardian. Wow. Alright, this is a sweet seed. Dope. Alright, well, I don't have to go very far to find a place for my first base. I think I'm going to use this little island over here. Or is this an island, or is it just a peninsula? Just a little peninsula, I think. Oh, I should probably start finding food, but I kind of want to just make a base of operations first. And I think that this area right here would be nice, because then I could carve it out and make it into kind of an island. Use this pond, you know, as a nice little place to come in and store my boats and put a little dock and stuff. This is really cool, actually. Okay, I'm gonna come over here and put down my crafting table and gather just some starting resources. Okay, so now that we have all of this coal and some more stone, I'm gonna go back up, I think. What should I do first? Probably get a hoe and start planting some stuff. Seeds. Come on, seeds. What the heck? 2? There we go. Okay, so right now we're going to make some more sticks and make a stone hoe. Bring that in here, and we're going to just start up a little. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I always forget to grab stuff out of my offhand though. Okay. Now I've got basic bits of food. I got some saplings. Gonna finish off this last tree, and then I'm going to build a bed so that I can sleep through this night. So we're gonna sleep, get that sweet dreams advancement, and go from here. I'm gonna replant these trees, kind of start making a little orchard. Probably over here, just by my quarry. I'm gonna make stone tools now, because I can. And a stone sword. Beautiful. A little chest to put all my old stuff in. And look at that, 6. Perfect. Okay. Now this will be a good, this wheat will be a perfect source of food for the cows that we're going to go get in just a bit. Before I go get those cows though, there's a few things that I need to do. Here you see me planting some seeds and stuff. I'm going to be switching over for the rest of the video and doing this kind of voiceover style. I wanted to play around for my first video and see which I liked a little bit better. This just gives you a little bit more flexibility of saying things and making sure that I say the things that I want to say. Like for example, here I am grabbing some sugarcane. The best thing about sugarcane is, well, the worst thing about sugarcane is how slow it is, but the best thing is that you can just put it down anywhere along some water and just let it grow. So my strategy at the beginning of pretty much any survival world is to put down sugarcane and then leave it alone and not touch it for as long as possible. Not use it for paper, not use it for anything. Just let it get growing all the way up, and I'll put it all the way down along the banks of the river. So this is, I like this area. You'll see me here clearing this all out. I really like this area. I think it's really cool. Obviously the Guardian Farm that you saw earlier, or the Guardian Farm, the Ocean Monument that we saw earlier is really close. There's water right here. We can use that to go explore lots of far areas pretty easily. And yeah, so I'm just going to use this as my starting area. And probably put a little orchard over this way. Keep clearing out a bunch of room so that I can have a starter house right here where I'm wiggling my mouse. And go from there. I think this is a great moldable area that we can put a lot of really cool stuff. Oops, gotta replant that. Next most important thing, other than wheat and things, is to make sure you start getting a mine going. So that's what I did here. I really sped it up because it was kind of boring. I had to work around this little underground lake that was just not very fun to work with. My solution was just to go one block over. Messed around with the advanced tooltips a little bit. I love to be able to see the durability on your pickaxes. One of the best things about Java for me. And then I kind of got bored and decided to come up and build a little fence area for the cows when I get them. And I noticed that I had eggs. No idea when I got them, but decided to grab them, build a fence, and throw them at some stone and see if I could get a chicken. Unfortunately, I can't. I do love chicken cookers. Automatic chicken cookers are the best because you don't have to do anything, don't have to cook them or anything, and they just give you ready to eat food. Next, I wanted to expand my wheat farm a little bit. So I ran around and gathered as much seeds as I possibly could. There's a little cut right here that gets rid of a lot of the grueling work and shows how many I got. I got half a stack of seeds. I went through and I cleared out all the sand and things so that I could keep planting in the same general area. Went through, got rid of all of my 32 seeds. And called it good for now for my wheat farm. I walked back over here because I knew it was going to take a while. Broke my bed. Set up a little station over here where I could stand and watch my seeds grow. And after just a few seconds, through the power of editing and the magic of default transitions, which I probably should get away from doing, here is a fully grown wheat farm. I'm going to harvest it all and then go on the last mission of the episode, which is to find some cows. And after walking around for a little bit, searching, boom, a cow. Just one right now though, so I have to keep looking because I want at least 2, preferably 4 to 6. Oh, and there's some more. I also realized that earlier you did not hear any guardians, so that sound that you heard as I saw the cow just now, yeah, that was the sound that I heard at the beginning of the video. I just don't have the audio because I messed up. Anyway, here's my merry band of cows. You can see me here leading them carefully through the savanna that's just right next to the forest biome that I'm going to be living in. And here I am back at my base, leading them into my little enclosure. I put trapdoors because I thought it looked cool, but then I realized, oops, cows can jump over that. So I had to switch it to slabs, and that is it for today's video.